A for ant. B for boy. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for giraffe. H for horse. I for iguana. J for jellyfish. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for penguin. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for shark. T for tortoise. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Thanks for watching.